Hello everyone, my name is Allison Burton. I'm the programmer at the North Adams Library, and our theme for today is kites. So, to start off, I'm going to tell you a rhyme which is also a riddle. It goes, I'm not a bird, but I like to fly. I'm not a plane, but I touch the sky. You can hold me with one hand, or set me down on the land. I fly high in the day or night. What am I? I am a kite. So, our book for today is Kite Day, a Bear and Mole story, written and illustrated by Will Hillenbrand, published by Holiday House, copyright 2012. Bear looked at the sky. Could it be, he wondered? He tilted his head up. Whiff, whiff, whiff. He smiled, then shouted, Kite Day! Bear rushed home. Puff, puff, puff. Come on, Bear waved to Mole. Kite Day is here. Bear collected. Mole studied. Bear snatched. Bear measured and cut. Mole drew. They both constructed. Finally, they raced outside into the meadow. The kite flew. Zoom, zoom, zoom. It soared. Up, up, up. Then dark, heavy clouds rolled in. Rumble, rumble, rumble. The breeze grew into a gust. Then, snap! The kite string broke. Away, away, away spun the kite. Oh no, screamed Mole and Bear. Down, down, down plunged the kite. Save that kite, shouted Mole. The two ran. Hurry, 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 urged Bear. Mole stopped. He tilted his head up. Splat, splat, splat. Rain pelted the broken kite. Look, cried Bear. Oh, sighed Mole. Chirrup, 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 squeaked the chicks. Thank you, sang the mother bird. The end. Now, a craft you can make to go along with this Storytime's theme is a paper plate kite. The instructions for which can be found in this video's description. Thank you all for watching. Have a great day and stay healthy.